In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone on Facebook in a comment in just a few simple steps. Tagging someone in a comment is useful when you want to mention a friend, bring their attention to a post, or include them in a conversation. First, open the Facebook app and go to the post where you want to leave a comment. Tap on the comment section under the post. Now, start typing your comment. When you want to tag someone, type the @ symbol and then begin typing the person's name. Facebook will automatically show a list of people that match the name. Tap on the correct name from the list, and Facebook will add the tag to your comment. The person's name will appear highlighted, which means they've been successfully tagged. After that, finish typing your comment and tap Post. The tagged person will receive a notification that they were mentioned in a comment. And that's it. That's how you can tag someone on Facebook in a comment. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.